Good evening. Today it is 23rd July 2023 and the time is 6:45, and today in Sunday webinar we talked very deep about Nifty and Bank Nifty based on Ichimoku, Pitchfork, time cycle and all that. But I want to show you only one thing because both the indices are at the very crucial resistance in daily, and yesterday Nifty closed below the previous day low. Whether the trend got negated and all that, there are a lot of pessimism again started in the market. But according to me, nothing to worry about it in the market. But we got exactly got the resistance at the psychological level, which is 20,000, and based on the pitchfork also. But according to me, till market holds 17th low, which was the very important date for Nifty, and 21st July for Bank Nifty. So till it doesn't close below 21st July for Bank Nifty, nothing to worry about it. Until Nifty holds 17th July low, nothing to worry about it. Okay, so let's go and see the little bit of resistance which happened in pitchfork in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. Okay, first we will start with that. And so this is Nifty. So if you see here, this was the exact resistance. This was the exact resistance on the median line here on 20th July, and market came and closed below. And why this median line is very important? This median line which is going up, because it got rejected 4 times here. First one year on 27th July and 27th Jan, and again on 1st February, and again on 16th February, and now the resistance happened on 20th July. So very, very crucial resistance. And if you take the minor cycle also, the minor cycle, the top of the pitchfork exactly, it came and intersected on 24th July. So watch out, it is at the major resistance. And according to me, 17th July is the very important time cycle till it holds 17th low, which is also the last week low. We don't need to worry about Nifty, because in weekly, nothing to worry about it. Maybe the weekly candle which happened of last week, you can call it whatever pattern which you like. But according to me, time is more precious than whatever candle it is going to do. So now 17th July, mark the higher low of 17th July till it doesn't close below 17th July low. Nothing to worry about it. And if you come to Bank Nifty also had an important resistance at the top on the pitchfork. So if you connect this pitchfork, again saying pitchfork is 10,000 times better than your trend line. So when I connect this low, which happened on 8th March, and I connected this top, which happened on 13th December, and the low, which happened on 16th March. So when I connected all that, the exact top happened here. And even the minor cycle, if you take this high and low ABC, and it is closed a little above it, so you don't need to worry about it. But the major one got resistance here, and that too on the time cycle day, which is the 21st July. Even though 14th is the major date for Bank Nifty, where it made the exact bottom, but according to me, this one is more powerful than the bottom which happened on 14th July. So 21st July is the mega date for Bank Nifty, and it is, I don't know whether the price and time squared here or not, but we need to see whether how it is going to work out in the coming week. So based on the pitchfork, yes, it is at the resistance, and based on the Ichimoku, nothing to worry about it, and based on fortune signals, you don't need to worry about the market at all as of now. So coming to Bank Nifty in 1 hour time frame, all the candles are green, so you don't need to worry about it. Even if you go to 15 minutes, all in green, so you don't need to worry about it. Even in 5 minutes, nothing to worry about it. So it is in green, so you don't need to worry about it. Once you get a genuine sell, in Bank Nifty, then you can think about exiting your long position. For example, if you go here, the rally started somewhere here on 40,506, and it started moving up, and here it gave a sell. But on the same time, when you go and check, this happened on 5th May. This happened on 5th May. And if you go and check that the same day on Bank Nifty future, it has not given a genuine sell. It has not given a genuine sell. So 5th May, where is it? 5th May, yeah. So this is not a genuine sell according to me. So again, it went up, went up, went up. So if you go to Bank Nifty spot and it started moving up, and again it gave a sell here. Again, it gave a sell here, and none of the candle closed to below. None of the candle closed to below. So the trend was still intact even in 1 hour, and absolutely there is no problem. Absolutely there is no problem. Always remember, it is not only time you need to take into consideration, you need to take time, price, and the pattern. So unless and until Bank Nifty is not going to give a genuine sell in 1 hour, the trend is still intact. Even if it closes below the previous week low, previous day low, all that it is immaterial. All that is immaterial. And again, when it comes to Nifty, exactly it closed at 17,940, where it took the exact support at the blue and red on 1 hour basis. So if you go from the down, here, so the buy started at 31st March at 17,400 level, and from there it went up, and here you can say this is the genuine sell. But if you go to Nifty future, on that day it gave a fake sell. So you can still be with the trend when you are combining Nifty and Nifty future and Nifty spot, and you can still be with the trend. And till now, it has given more than 2,500 points in Nifty, from 17,400 to 19,900 level. Okay, so and again, it is at the support even in Nifty, future and even in Nifty spot. So you don't need to worry about it. When I will get worried in Nifty, it has to give a sell, and one candle must close below the sell. Then only I get worried. Otherwise, it is a buy on dip market, and coming to time cycle till it is holding 17th low, you don't need to worry about it and be with the trend. This may be a little bit of hiccup, so nothing to worry about. But based on the pitchfork, it is at the resistance. So now let's go and talk about the numbers. So now coming to numbers, and I already given you all the important dates here, and I have already marked, which is 17th July for Nifty and 21st July for Bank Nifty. Okay, and the next important day is tomorrow, which is 23rd, the major astro event, and Nifty is getting a little bit of combination on 23rd and 24th. So watch out for Nifty. And tomorrow is the very mega day based on the planetary thing, and the first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. And coming to numbers, so for this expiry, monthly expiry, till it is not going to go about 20,173, nothing is going to happen. Until it is not going to go and close below 19,618, nothing is going to happen. It is going to trade only within this high and low for a longer period of time. Maybe the expiry, it may be a premium meeting session, but normally it won't happen. So one side big move is still yet to come. So it's going to be happening maybe on Tuesday or on Thursday. So be ready for 0 call. Okay. And Bank Nifty, nothing to worry about it. It went and touched this number, but unable to close above this number. But till it holds 45,796, nothing to worry about it. And again, I'm saying whatever chart I'm showing, according to me, that is only 20%. This number knows everything. Okay. And tomorrow I'll give this number for the week from Monday to Friday. Okay. And coming to this thing, and I already told you 17th July is the major astro event for Nifty. So watch out for this combination. I've already told you. And 21st July, Bank Nifty big day, mark the high and low and take the trade. And 23rd is the major astro date. On this astro date, you need to watch the stocks which are affected by this planet is all precious items, which is roughly around, if you talk about it, is Titan, Tata Motors, McDowell, UBL, and all that. And you can take Allianz Jewelers and other stuff. So all the precious items will have a major impact on tomorrow. If you are not an intraday trader, simply mark the high and low of tomorrow and take the trade accordingly. And 24th is the mega day for crypto. Kindly have a watch. It is at the resistance. So kindly have a watch on 24th July for cryptos. And for the timings for Monday, I've already given here. And the positional timing for Bank Nifty is 130 to 135. Okay. And Adani, and again, I'm telling important cycle 21st July. The validation is 21st July and the major cycle is happening on 26th July. So watch out for this. This stock may be the stock of the month for August, maybe on the higher side big time or maybe on the lower side big time. So watch out, minimum 10 to 20% is possible in the month of August. And again, Asian Motor, kindly mark the yesterday's high and low because two major time cycle combining together on 21st July. So mark the high and low and take the trade in Asian Motor. Okay, coming to the numbers. So if you see Nifty future, these three numbers become negative. And rest the major numbers are positive only. So unless and until it is not going to close below this number, 17,991, nothing to worry about it. In case if the market comes down and touches this number, you can take a call by keeping a stop loss of 54 points. Okay, and ride the trend with your own system. But on the higher side, these three will have a major resistance. So now, in case if you bought at here and your stop loss got triggered, again wait for it to come and touch this number, which is 17,791. Sell here, keep a stop loss of this number, and the target is 19,528. Very simple. Very simple. So this one number, 19,791, knows everything about Nifty future for this week. And you can take it even a monthly expire. In Bank Nifty, nothing to worry about it. All the numbers are blue. And for the spot, the numbers are given here. And for the spot for Nifty, the numbers are given here. I highlighted few numbers here, which will act as a major resistance or major support in the coming week. So watch out for that. And these three numbers, again, it is converging. So expecting a big move in Nifty, maybe on the upside or maybe on the downside. So watch out for Nifty for tomorrow. Many people are talking about Reliance result is not good, Infi is bad and all that. On the other side, people are talking about ICICI numbers are good. All that they are talking about. You don't need to worry about all that. 21st candle of Bank Nifty and 17th candle of Nifty, for July of Nifty, we know everything rather than this result which is going to come or the postmortem which is already happening and people are pampering about all that. Time knows everything there, whatever news which is going to come forward. Okay, so now coming to the trend change dates, stocks. So India Bulls, you need to watch, and McDowell, it is rocking literally. And again, it is getting one more day tomorrow. So watch out for McDowell. We have taken some 0-0 call. We don't know whether it's going to be 0 or a 0. We will come to know only Monday morning. And India Bulls is having two cycle on the same day, 2-time cycle on the same day. And that too, it is an yearly date. So watch out for the stock. And 24th, again, you are getting Coromandel for yearly date. So watch out for Coromandel. And these are all the other stocks which you need to watch out for the coming days. So again, all this. And the last week is very crucial, which is from 29th to 31st. More than 7 companies are getting into yearly date, especially Adani, Divi, Pfizer, TVS Motor, VDL, all these, the major ones are getting, into yearly date. And UBL, you need to watch 28th July because that is a very important date for UBL. More or less, the planetary aspect as well as the UBL thing is combining, and McDowell is literally rocking. So this guy will be a dark horse for the month of August. So watch out for UBL also. Okay. That's all. Nothing more to add in this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. See you soon tomorrow with the Nifty magical number for intraday. If there is any intraday combo timing which is happening, and I've already given you the positional timing for Bank Nifty, which is 130 to 135. And the weekly number, the bullish number and the bearish number for the last week of July. And one more thing I want to tell you today, I've already showed the Sunday webinar that tomorrow in the month of August, more than 63 stocks are coming into yearly date. It means, and most of them are major stocks which is coming into yearly date. It means August month, again, it is going to be a big trending move on the upside or on the downside. So when many companies, that too, the index components are coming into trend change date, and that too on a yearly date. The index is going to give phenomenal move, maybe on the upside, maybe on the downside. Keep the numbers with you. Try to be with the trend and capture the whole momentum. It may be 1,000 points, 1,500 points, 2,000 points also. Try to be with your system and believe your system and believe yourself and try to capture the entire momentum. So August month is especially for the trend followers. Let's see what all happens. Keeping the fingers crossed. See you tomorrow. Until then, good night.